Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to my next Fermente video tutorial. Now, for this episode, guys, I'm gonna show you a simple shortcut that you can use on your keyboard to solve or fix a problem that you're experiencing. Now, as for this shortcut, I'm gonna actually show you how to go to what is known as the Task Manager. Now, why you would need to go to Task Manager is, for example, you're working on a important a document, you're typing a report, for example, and your computer basically hung up and you're not able to navigate between the different applications that are open. Now, instead of restarting your laptop or your desktop computer, you can just simply close that application that is actually preventing you from navigating through the different applications. Now, you need to go to what is known as you need to actually go to that section there. So let's go. That is the Task Manager. So the key combination shortcut on your keyboard, whether it is a desktop keyboard like this or your laptop keyboard, is for you to press Control Alt and the delete keys. So again, guys, Control Alt and the delete keys. So those three combinations will actually take you to that section that is known as the Task Manager. So once you click on Task Manager, then of course it will actually show you all the applications that are actually up. So once you discover the one that is showing it not responding, then you simply click on it and then you're gonna click End Task. So once again, guys, just showing you a simple shortcut for your Windows version laptop or your Windows version desktop. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Again, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.